Hello friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Now Fires is giving an opportunity to make free account. So we will see in this video how we can register ourselves and make a free account. In the description box below you can click the link. As of now this offer is valid till July this month, and if it is extended I will update it in the below link also. So you can follow the below link and you can make the free account. First you have to put our name, then you have to put our email, and then you have to put our mobile number. So once we fill that form, the second page is this one. As you can see, they have mentioned here this special offer is valid till 31st July 2021. So we will again put our email ID here, mobile number, and we will sign up for this account. So we can see once we fill that form we get the position place for the OTP. So we will put the OTP what it comes in our mobile phone. Here we have to fill the OTP, then we will accept the terms, and then we will verify this account. So it's already there. Now we will tell verify the account. Now this comes the thank you for the verification. Now we need the following documents what we have to upload. PAN card first, secondly the Aadhaar card image is required, thirdly you need a cancelled check or a passbook with bank details, then we need the permanent address proof, that is the Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID or passport, anyone will do. Then for the correspondence address if you want, we need the 6 months bank statement, our latest photograph, and the scan copy of the signature. So these items you have to always keep it with you before you open the account, so it will be helpful for you. So now we proceed that one. Now we have to upload here our PAN details. Once we upload our PAN details, then we will see the other part. To upload our PAN details we will put it here, then we will go there and we will put our PAN card. So we can see they take the details and we will be writing the name and everything here, and we will go to the next page. After that is complete the PAN card details, now we have to give here the Aadhaar card details, whichever you want to use as your details for giving the proof of address. You can mention here Aadhaar card, voter card, anyone you can use. I will put the Aadhaar card. So I will upload the tab here and put the first page, and there and here I will put the second page for the Aadhaar card, and then we will go to the continue bottom. Then it will take it to the next step. So after you upload these two documents, you will scroll down and you have to put your address here, address, postal address, state, city you have to put, and you have to mark this one, and then you have to make the continue button. So after filling that details, now it comes the bank and the segment details. So you have to put the IFSC code of the bank, bank account number, bank name, branch, address of the bank, and MICR number. Once you put this one, you have to savings account are correct, and then you have to make the confirm button. And then you have to check the segments what you want, the commodity, currency, equity, derivative. You can click like this. For example, if you want this segment is mandatory, so accordingly you can click it. And you have to give the financial proof. For example, the latest bank 6 months you can give, or you can give the latest income tax return or latest holding statement. You can upload the picture, and then you have to make the continue button. So after we fill that form, here it comes your additional information. For example, your occupation, your annual income, all the details is there, and accordingly you can do it here, and you have to put all these things, other supporting documents, and you have to make the continue button. So after you do that step, here it comes the in-person verification. How it is done? For example, live selfie verification, first you have to write this OTP as mentioned in the screen on a white paper. then you have to hold the white paper in front of the camera and we have to take the selfie of that one, or we can take a live selfie or can take that photo with written in a white paper and upload in the second option. Anyone, first directly we can upload it with the help of the selfie, or we can take the photo and upload it, any one which we can do. After we have taken that selfie photo, now the second step is we have to put our signature photo here. So after that step they will give you review your details. Over here all the details will be mentioned. You have to see that one and you have to tell proceed for e-sign. This is the process what you have to do. So now where you can see the enter OTP, there is a first step where you have to put your Aadhaar number in the same place. First Aadhaar number you have to put, then you have to put the tick bottom in the up, you submit. Once you submit, the Aadhaar number in which the mobile is linked, they will send an OTP. So you put the OTP here and you will give verify OTP. So once this step is done, your work is complete, successfully signed. Now it will check the FIRE's account, they will verify the account and they will activate your account. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and please share with the others so then others can also be benefited from this video. So for today as of now, bye bye and thank you.